That's right, because he's doing oil galley gaskets.
Alright. Where are we headed?
Alright, so we're headed down to his house.
No. He probably doesn't want his name on it. Right? And you have to say
it's probably gonna be
him who
he who does the car paint
wishes to remain anonymous.
So yeah, we're headed over to his house to go check out the paint job on the shitbox.
It'll be about what, an hour and a half until
hour and some
your
change
dream
ride.
car.
Yeah,
Excited.
yeah. We have not seen it at all in person. The last time we saw it, it was all primered up.
Yeah.
So this will be the first time we see it
Painted.
at all. Painted.
Yeah,
One
it's
color,
exciting.
looking shiny.
For what? How long? Ever? Never seen it
6
like
months.
this. No. Never seen it painted nice.
No, I've never had anything painted nice. Point blank period. I'm what? Damn near almost 30 years old.
Almost
and
30.
I haven't never bought a brand new car. I never had anything
No.
painted. So
This is your present to yourself after all your hard work.
yep.
We're excited. All right. We're trying this new thing out, so just bear with us. Bye. So are you excited?
Yeah, can't wait to see it. Out here in bumblefuck nowhere.
We're back soon to see the car.
Yeah.
Some man. Sheesh. You guys don't make this? My mom makes it every year. Is it virgin or alcohol? Alcohol. I like more the virgin stuff, but I can deal with the alcohol
It's got a
too.
little bit of coconut rum
I think your mom might have beat my mom's. I like drinking it with ice.
Yeah, that's how we drink
I
it.
put a lot of
Yeah,
ice
yeah,
in mine.
same,
Crushed ice.
same.
Yeah, I put crushed ice in mine, man. I love it.
Wow, man, this looks amazing. Holy
Look at it, really
cow!
good. She really needs another good buff job with my professional. Man, I can't. I've burned a lot of time trying to get it, and I have like little sand scratches here and there. But I just can't seem to get it perfect enough.
Okay.
That was like one of my biggest things. I'm like, man, I just can't seem to get it. But if somebody professionally does it, that does it every day, they should be able to just literally fly through it. I got mostly all like 9 hours stuff. But you'll see it out in the sun, you'll see like little spots here and there. And then the hood, remember I told you? You can't see it in the picture, but right here, you see it? When you put the hood up, what happens is it flexes from all that stuff. And it creased it from flexing so much already. And I've only opened it up a few times.
Yeah.
When you open it, you'll see it flex so much. I'm like, man, I can't do
Because you
much
cut
about
out a lot of
Yeah,
stuff
'cause
to
all the
fit,
supports,
the motor.
From cutting all the supports, it just doesn't. If it had the supports, she would have been solid. Open it up, man. This is you. This is your car, not mine. I've already messed with it so much. I'm gonna put this inside because this is actually really good.
I think it looks good. From what it was, holy cow. What do you think, the black engine bay? Oh my gosh, I'm shaking so much because I'm cold. Yeah. I'm trying to see what he's talking about with the hood, but it's hard because it's not in the sun. It's me. It looks nice. Oh yeah. Just ignore all that rust. What rust?
I told Anna, I gave her a shot or a try. She's like, "Ooh, that's really good." This is the bumper. It's actually perfect. That's front bumper. Yeah, we'll take that one in a second.
Oh yeah, because you crafted that, right? Yeah.
That was my big choice.
A little bit, yeah. I cried. I cried. Yeah, it looks good. Yeah, you can open it up. We can pull it out.
The weather's shit.
It's rainy.
Yeah.
Pretty shitty. We've moved me and Anna through this car so many times.
Oh, I feel her pain.
Yeah. I'm like, hey, I need to move the car. Look, move this sucker over and over. I wish the sun was out.
You could tell that a lot different out here.
Now, in the sun, it looks completely different. Yeah, out in the sun, it looks way different.
Yeah, this looks great. This looks great. Good job. Yeah.
Like she'll tell you, man, I put a lot of work into it. And I have a bunch of pieces.
Oh yeah.
You can see it now. Can you see it now? More out here. What I'm talking about?
Oh, yeah.
Can you see it? And
Yeah.
there you can't see much of it, but out here you can, because what happens is when you lift it, the hood wants to crease that way.
Yeah,
It
crease.
sags.
Right.
Yeah, it sags over, and I'm like, man, even though I welded all these up and welded this up, it just wasn't enough for it.
Looks great, man.
Yeah,
Really.
it's really good.
Really.
She's fought me a few times. Anna would tell you, I almost was like, ah, dude.
The jams look great. Door jams look great. Yeah. That to me is like, it was so important. Yeah. It was so important. Absolutely, man. All right, it's raining on her. You want to push her back in?
I guess we should probably push it back in.
Yeah, we can push her back.
You need a hand? It's pretty light. Pretty light with nothing in it.
Anna and I moved it. We're just trying to get it as close as I can to that edge. Yeah, so she's good. I'll probably push her in a little bit more later. I'll wrap everything up so you want to get all messed up on this. I think they're gonna look really good. When she put this car together,
Oh my god.
it's gonna look really good. Just the factory kind of look and status will make it look really good. When I put these rings in here, it won't be bouncing all over the place.
Yeah, man, this looks amazing. I mean, I remember the body work that you did. Which really, you could really see here how much, like, how great of a job you did.
Yeah. Like it was just time after time, and then I remember when you guys were here, the body line was like it looked funny after looking at it for so long. I redid the body line, so it looks even all the way down the doors,
Yeah,
both
yeah.
sides.
Yeah.
What happened was after like looking at it, what happened was the line was just too thick.
Yeah, man.
Once you start putting it back together.
Yeah,
Black
absolutely.
Black out the wells? Or something?
Yeah, because I had primer do that. I had primer all over this shit.
Yeah, okay.
So I blacked it all out.
What did
I
you black
blacked
it out
out
with?
Wow.
just regular sun black and
okay.
and a little bit of chip guard to give it that texture look to it.
Yeah, because I know
Nice.
at one point I sprayed up with a
Yep. I cleaned up a little bit as much as I could because she was nasty.
Oh, I know. I bet. I know. Fucking sending shit just spitting
everywhere.
Oh, yeah.
It looks so
I'm sure the first time I turned on the blower or whatever, it fixed full of fucking dust.
I'm gonna take this bumper out.
Oh,
Yeah, I got
So what's the white thing in the car?
Huh?
What's the wife think of the car?
She likes it.
She's probably like, I'm ready to see this thing get out of here.
Yeah, probably.
She's probably again. She's a couple times. She's like, you spend a little too much time on it. I'm like, I know. But she don't care. She knows I just kind of have a passion for it. She told me before I came out here, she said, good luck. I'm like, oh shit. Shit.
Incredible.
Yeah, once you guys clean it up and put it all back together, the car will look really good. It's all dusty. And I wiped it all down before I stuck it in the bag. That's her, man.
Oh, that's gonna
Now, I'm gonna fair warn you about this bumper. Yeah, she's held together. But I'm like, if you blast this thing, don't be surprised if it, like, all of this cracks because it's really...
Well, it's no different than like having
Yeah.
anything that's like fiberglass.
Yeah, the sucker's really hard. All through this is pretty much all built.
That's what I want.
Like, dude,
Exactly.
if you hit something hard enough and you blast the bottom of it, I won't be surprised if it's the whole thing.
It's at stock height.
Okay, so we're leaving right now. Said painter's home. The car looks amazing, for real.
Sweet.
We love it.
Super glossy.
Sorry, the battery went out. No,
Oh, yeah,
no.
GoPro battery
Yeah,
died.
yeah. So we'll have to learn. But anyway, it was really cool to
Yeah.
see the progress. It's honestly like
Finally get to see it in person.
yeah.
Well, the last time we saw it, it was just primer. It was still getting body work done and still getting prepped, so. And since then, all we've had was like photos, you know, but nothing does justice like seeing it actually in person.
Yeah, absolutely.
But yeah, the car looks great. Can't complain at all.
No. I understand why you wanted to do black.
When it's done
just
right,
classic.
and it looks good.
Classic.
You
Yeah.
know, then it looks great. It's just what it is.
Yeah. So we're excited. Hopefully we'll get it in the next couple weeks. And
Yeah,
still waiting on the motor.
Yeah.
Motor. You love when I call it a motor.
Electric.
Still waiting on the engine. The head is at Head Games, almost done, I think.
Yeah.
The bottom end has to be sent to Cali, Washington.
Yeah, over to Colin at Fast Lane entrance next to the golf machine and worked on and stuff. So I gotta get all the RB30 blocks sent out to him so they can get checked out. And we'll pick which one out of the two we're gonna use and get it all machined up.
Yeah, and then you have all the internals, right?
Still waiting on the pistons from CP Pistons to custom ones. But
Didn't you have this?
no, I have rods and crank. I never ordered the custom pistons because I didn't know the combustion chamber CCs. And without knowing that, you can't really determine the compression ratio correctly and get the pistons spec'd for the application. So once I got that info from Head Games, then I ordered the custom pistons from CP. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Get the block machine, and then we can start actually putting the car together.
Yeah.
It sounds a little easier than what it is, because machining ain't something that just gets done overnight. But it's getting there.
Yeah, definitely. I wonder, I don't know if we'll have it up this season.
Maybe, I don't know.
Probably the end. There's a chance
I'm not
the end of the
sure.
season.
At least make an appearance of some sort.
Yeah, for sure. Even if we have to push it. It won't be the first time. No. So, yeah, until then, thanks for watching. See ya.
Later.